wealthy people love debt, and I can prove it. Elon Musk, once hailed as the richest man, has $15 billion in debt. Jeff Bezos has $10 billion. Robert Kiyosaki, a famous financial advisor, has $600 million in debt. And there are many billionaires who have unimaginable amount of debt. On the other hand, middle class people fear debt and try to pay off as soon as possible. In the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you why rich people love debt. The main reason why rich people love debt is because it's tax free. Except debt, every other thing is taxed. Rich people embrace debt to increase their wealth, while poor people strive to exterminate the debt. Debt can be good or bad depending on how you use it. The only difference between debt poor people take and rich people take is poor people take it to buy something which doesn't have any increase in value in the future. Moreover, the value goes reducing every day. For example, if you take a loan of $10,000 and buy a car with it, the car doesn't generate any income. And after 3 years, you're in debt of $10,000 along with interest and depreciated value of it. But rich use debt to generate income from it. If they spend the borrowed money to generate more money from it. For example, a person borrows $10,000 and invests it in stocks or some real estate. After 3 years, he would have paid the loans along with the interest and would have been in profit. That's what differentiates a poor person and a rich person's debt.